This is Shell Beach, and by the way, a lot of kelp this year, which some people are looking into why there is so much of it. It is in the water essentially everywhere out there this year. Current conditions look like this. Santa Maria 69, 69 in San Luis Obispo. It's 94 in Paso Robles already, so we jump quickly from those temperatures in the 70s back up into the 90s already today in Paso. Lompoc 68, 76 in Santa Barbara. A little bit of southbound traffic going on right now. The winds currently are onshore at about 15 miles per hour. That's part of the high pressure building in. We're going to see those winds turn around in terms of direction, especially late overnight, but more so tomorrow morning in terms of picking up pace. At the coast, there's actually a bit of mugginess. We do have some tropical leftovers pushing into the area and some marine influence, but Paso Robles' relative humidity is 10%. We're going to be watching that as offshore winds start cranking up here over the next couple of days. Not only will it be hot, but the air is going to dry out. If there were a fire, could spread quickly under those conditions. 17 degrees warmer than this time yesterday up in Paso Robles. Elsewhere, the heat wave really hasn't developed yet. It's 95 Bakersfield, 107 Vegas, 114 in Phoenix. Okay, so a lot of high cloud cover here. Radar is showing some returns, but that's mostly from mid-level moisture. This is Fabio, tropical storm Fabio now, and you can see how some of this cloud cover is getting entrained up into our area. But look at the general flow pattern here across the west. You see this push from the east to the west? That is the jet stream reorienting itself. Here's a look at the excessive heat warning in place. It's tomorrow and Saturday and could be extended beyond that. And again, not only hot, but again, the winds and the dryness of the air. So it's offshore winds sinking and compressing air as early as Friday morning. It's around later Friday. Monsoon mugginess trying to sneak in here from the east as well. And then we also have similar conditions on Saturday. I think Sunday also going to be very hot. Here's how that works. Here's that ridge in the jet stream, and watch how it kind of builds back and it knocks that cooler air back up to the north. It intensifies Saturday into Sunday, weakens a bit Monday into Tuesday, but is still around. Now, coastal areas are going to start to cool down a little bit middle of next week, but the inland areas are still going to remain pretty warm. And there you can see just some high clouds in the microclimate model, but again, it's all starting to clear out. And Friday, we will not see much of that. So plenty of sunshine and hot and offshore breezes. Overnight lows tonight on the south coast could be in the 70s because of some of this airflow, and 102 tomorrow along the south coast. 100 in Carpinteria, 102 in Goleta, 105 Santa Ynez as early as tomorrow, 98 Cuyamat, 97 in Orchid. Look at beach conditions. Pismo Beach, 84, 97 in AG, 96 Napomo. So running to the beach will not immediately improve your circumstances somewhat if you get all the way out to the water. But again, it's going to be warm in the interior and the coastal valleys, even Morro Bay up into the mid-70s, 80s for Cayucas and Cambria, 97 at Avila Beach. And again, this is sort of an extended thing. So we've got Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday, we're well above average in Santa Maria. Santa Barbara goes 103, 97, 93, and only backs off into the upper 80s on Monday and Tuesday. Paso Robles, 105, 108, 110, 108, 100 into next week. So be patient with the weather. And again, plan ahead. That's what that excessive heat warning is all about. Near 100 through Saturday in San Luis Obispo. And even when it cools on Monday, it's still 87 degrees, Richard. Are you ready for it?
No, that's going to get old really
I think so too, yeah.
People are going to be looking for some relief out there.